Hello everyone. Today we will discuss in thermodynamics chapter thermodynamic state variables. So in thermal equilibrium, thermal equilibrium is nothing but the temperature of the systems. Okay, the temperature of the systems is constant is called the thermal equilibrium. In every thermal equilibrium state of a thermodynamic system is completely described by specific values, some specific values. The specific values is called the thermodynamic state variables. So the definition is every equilibrium state of a thermodynamic system is completely described by specific values of some macroscopic values is called as state variables. Okay, it is also called the thermodynamic state variables or state variables. So for example, the macroscopic values, thermodynamic system macroscopic values are pressure, temperature, volume, amount of substance, so composition of substance, mass. So these are the macroscopic values. Here thermodynamic state variables are, so for example we have taken macroscopic values pressure, volume, temperature, mass, so that is amount of substance, it is also called amount of substance, etc. It is called thermodynamic state variables. Okay, these thermodynamic state variables is depend upon equilibrium of the system. Okay, at any state, every system is not consist of thermal equilibrium. So for example, so we consider a system, the system is consist, so this is a partition, so it is a piston, so consist piston. Okay, so one side of this system is consist a gas, so any gas, it is air. So other side is consist vacuum. Okay, there is no gas, it is vacuum, it is air. So it is consist certain temperature, pressure, volume, temperature, and also certain mass. Okay, so it is when piston is removed here. So what happens when piston is removed? It is expanded, sudden expansion of air. When sudden expansion of air, the pressure will be decreased, volume will be increased, and temperature is decreased. so mass is constant, but the macroscopic values, the thermodynamic state variables cannot measure, okay, cannot measure, and temperature is decreases, so then it is not in thermal equilibrium, so it is consist non equilibrium state. Okay, so it is the first example. The second example, when a mixture of, so for example it is taken a system, this system is consist a piston here, so this is a piston, okay, so this system is completely adiabatic system, okay, piston also is adiabatic system, okay, it is consist mixture of gas, a mixture of gas, a mixture of a gas exploded by chemical reaction, so then what happens, the piston is moved right side, so because the pressure will be increased and temperature will be increased, okay, pressure is increased because chemical reaction, the explosion is happens. For example, the oxygen gas in any engine, okay, in automobile engine, so in automobile engine oxygen is mixed with petrol vapor, okay, this is a mixing of air, oxygen and petrol vapor, and it is ignited by a spark. What happens, so certain amount of heat energy is it is evolved, then temperature is increases by a system, okay, temperature is increased and also pressure also is increased, pressure of this gas and pressure of the system is increased, so this is also non equilibrium state, non equilibrium, okay, so this is non equilibrium. So then at certain a gas, okay, certain gas is attains thermally and mechanical equilibrium, that means pressure, volume, temperature are constant, okay, pressure, temperature, volume, so such types of volume is constant and it is variable, so but here pressure and temperature are constant in thermal and mechanical equilibrium, okay, so it is attains a gas, pressure and temperature are constant, so in thermal and mechanical equilibrium, so such type of equilibrium is consist thermodynamic state variables, so are constant pressure, temperature, so mass and volume, so these are constant. Here thermodynamic variables, the thermodynamic state variables are two types. Okay, these are first one, intensive state variables, and second one, extensive state variables. So what about intensive state variables? So when we are consider a system. Okay, this system, it have the gas. Okay, so it is divided two portions, two parts. So it is divided, it is part 1, it is part 2. So it have any system, it consists pressure, volume, temperature, internal energy, and mass, density. Okay, so here, so when we consider here intensive state variables, okay, when we consider a system is consist two portions, if the state variables are do not change to making the partitions in the system are called as intensive state variables. Okay, here what are the intensive state variables? So what is, when we consider at any place, here and here and here, so at any place the pressure cannot change. Okay, temperature also is cannot change, and the density of this gas is cannot change. Okay, density is constant at any place of this portion and this portion, this part and this part, pressure, temperature, density. So these are called the intensive state variables. So if the state variables are changed to making the partitions in the system is called as extensive state variable. So examples, for example, so here in this example, what are the remaining here? The volume is can change, mass is changed, and internal energy here, internal energy can change here. Internal energy, mass, volume, these are the extensive. So it is denote the size of the variable. So volume is, so here certain volume, here certain volume, mass also is divides, and internal energy also is divides. So then the state variables are changed to make the partitions. So in the system is called the extensive state variables. So for example, we can describe that the first law of thermodynamics, delta Q equals to delta U plus P delta V. So here pressure is intensive. Okay, pressure is a intensive state variable, and volume is extensive. Volume is extensive state variable, but the combination of pressure and volume, change in the volume and pressure, it is also extensive, it is also change, extensive state variable. Okay, this is about the state variables, thermodynamic state variables. And so we can conclude that here the equation of state. So what is about equation of state? The connection of state variables is called as equation of state. Okay, equation of state. For example, so we can consider for ideal gas. So what is the ideal gas equation? PV equals to mu RT. Okay, here P is the pressure, V volume, mu amount of substance in moles, R gas constant, temperatures. The state variables are here. Mu is the amount of substance, T temperature, P pressure, volume. So the connection, the equation for the state variables is called equation of state. Okay, for ideal gas, PV equals to mu RT. So here R is the gas constant, universal gas constant. Universal gas constant R equals to, so that is 8.314 joule per mole per Kelvin. Okay, joule per mole per Kelvin. This is the universal gas constant.